This is a highly illegal episode.
My favorite thing happened the other day. It was my birthday day before yesterday, okay?
Oh shit, happy birthday. I forget.
It's funny.
I never wish anyone or anyone birthday.
This is
Happy
so
birthday.
funny.
That's so funny.
His face was amazing.
I play all my PS games, most of the PS games right now on his account because he's paying.
One of you would be way more affected if the other wasn't in their life.
Yeah. And I know who exactly you are.
Yeah. See, your CA knows your account balance.
Yeah.
If you're short on something like health insurance, can you ask your CA for money?
Yeah, I guess why
Why
not?
क्यों?
ऐसे तो मेरे बैंक वालों को भी पता है मेरे पैसे कितने हैं, मैं बैंक जाके मांग लूँ.
That's a loan.
Yeah, that's actually This is when I was in school. I was driving somewhere in Rajapur, in Jaipur.
Again, see, look at his spoiled as sentences. Dude, he
What?
thinks these are normal sentences. I
What?
was in school and I was driving somewhere. So please hype the videos so that we can buy cocaine with that money.
Now they're back. These guys want cocaine?
Whoa!
तो will support.
थोड़ा सा यहाँ से तोड़ दो, थोड़ा सा यहाँ से तोड़ दो, थोड़ा सा पीछे तोड़ दो, मैं आपको पूरा चेंज कराऊंगा.
What? Why is everything you say today incriminating the other person?
This is my
Jalebi
greatest
eating.
accomplishment. There was a jalebi eating competition where was लटका के रखते थे वो लोग jalebi. One try. I was just a fat kid who really wanted a jalebi. That's it.
Lied to my accountant recently.
Huh?
Lied to my
Can't-
accountant. No, not lied. Like I just hit. So basically,
You're trying
he
to
was
scam your own accountant.
No, not
like,
scam,
how-
not scam.
It's usually the other way around. You know,
Yeah.
you hear about accounts that
scam.
stealing from the
What did he lie to?
I'll tell you. So he was filing my ITR, ठीक है, और उसने सारा भरा, सब कुछ निकाला, and then he wanted to save some taxes. So like investments वगैरह कुछ है.
Suicide है.
So first of all, जो total amount आया था ना, he's like, ये TDS इतना ही आया है ना? मैंने कहा हाँ, वो बाकी मैंने cash में ले लिया था because I don't want him to think I'm making such less money.
Oh,
मैं like,
shit.
हाँ, TDS इतना ही है, बाकी मैंने ऐसे personally cash payment ये सब ले लिया था.
Oh, you know how it is. Suitcase आता है हर
Dude,
दिन.
sometimes I've sent like my accountant will ask for my bank statement at the end of the month, and sometimes my bank statement is like 3,000 rupees. I feel so bad. My accountant is like, dude, how is this guy gonna pay me?
Exactly, that's why I tell him कि नहीं मैं cash payment ले लेता हूँ, मैं cash में रखता हूँ.
I get
तो
that.
तुझे कैश दिए तो बता. What if your accountant is like, ठीक है कैश दे दे. Then you're like, मेरा ये वीक वाला कैश आया नहीं अब तक, तो आप रुक जाओ, सूटकेस आ रहा है मेरे घर. मैं ब्लैक में फंक्शन करता हूँ. That's what you're telling your accountant. मैं तो ब्लैक में लेता हूँ.
Pretty much. Then he asked me कि okay,
Then he asks you, black का white में भी कर सकते हैं हम. Tension
करता है.
Yeah.
Oh my
He
God.
told me कि कभी भी अगर आपको टैक्स बचाना हो, ठीक है, और आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, आप मेरे एनजीओ में 1 लाख रुपए डोनेट करो, मैं आपको 90,000 वापस दे दूंगा.
एक काम कर, उसको 1 लाख तो तू नहीं देगा. उसको
भाई,
बोल, मेरे को लॉन्डर करना है, ये ले मेरे 100 रुपए का नोट जो मेरे पास 1 करोड़ है.
वापस दे.
90 रुपए वापस.
You're criminalizing your CA, dude.
Yeah.
Like whatever
So
the
I'm not
word is.
telling them who my CA is. They're not gonna find
What
out.
is rocket science or what? Like
What to
how
figure
many
out my
CAs would
CA?
Young many have? Like if
What do you
someone-
mean? There are
if someone
so
from
many
the-
CAs in the world.
But if someone from the income tax department
Yeah.
is watching this episode
Yeah.
and they're like, oh, Hoshan ka CA, if
Yeah.
I want to find out, I'm
Yeah.
sure it's easy enough to find out.
Is it
If you're
that
in that
easy to
world,
find
Pretty
out?
sure it is.
It is
Like,
that easy to find out who's filing my ITR?
I'm pretty sure it
कुछ
would
तो
be.
होता होगा, bro.
I don't
Yeah,
think
मेरा
so.
तेरा इनवॉइस
नहीं,
मांग लेंगे वो लोग.
ठीक है, we'll see. देखते
हाँ.
हैं.
हाँ,
Let's see.
we'll find out.
Sorry,
उसके
bro.
बाद,
Yeah.
नाम भी बोलते
if you're from the income tax department, fuck him up, dude.
No, he said he can do it. I haven't done it because I don't have that money. Then he asked me अगर आपकी कोई savings है तो बताओ कोई investment वगैरह
हाँ,
so that he
वही,
can
वही,
थोड़ा tax
expenses.
rebate
हाँ.
वगैरह. And then I had to lie to him again like नहीं मेरे account से नहीं है, मम्मी के account से है.
अभी मम्मी के अकाउंट से आपको पैसे मिलते ही होंगे.
ले आपके सेविंग्स है वो भी कैश में ही है एक्चुअली.
और मैंने मम्मी को दे दिए होंगे.
मेरे बेड के नीचे है.
वो प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है मैंने, वो कैश दिया था वहाँ पे. He was just, I think he was confused and asked too many questions.
But can you imagine how much money that NGO is making though?
I think but it's just an option. I don't know if he does it. I have to.
I'm pretty. Wow, you think it's
I
an
hope-
What are you, naive? You think you're the first
Listen,
person?
I don't-
You think
I don't-
you are the first
I-
person who wants to start doing this with?
I don't want to incriminate.
All that money I'll get from Hoshan.
I don't want to incriminate him. So
You
I-
said all of
You
this.
already said all
I
of
We
feel
knew
like
none
that
of
is
this.
an
Yeah.
option. If someone has to do it, I
Yeah.
know someone who can do that for
Okay,
us.
Yeah.
he said his NGO, by the way.
Did I say his
Yeah.
NGO?
Yeah, you said his NGO.
That was just for comedic effect. I'm taking
What
some.
comedic.
I'm taking some liberties.
Yeah, so it's more relatable to someone who's listening.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Made
said
my
I
own
know a
story.
guy. He
Yeah.
knows himself.
Yeah.
That's who he
By the way,
knows.
can I tell you something? I told my mom this. Mom was like, "अपने पास भी है एक."
And then we think India में तरक्की क्यों नहीं हो रही
My mom
है?
also knows someone
Yeah.
who can just whiten my
least
money.
Only NGOs की तरक्की हो रही है India में.
But
Yeah.
at least NGOs are getting money, dude.
Yeah, they
Good.
get the 10%.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But I just don't have the I don't have black money to whiten it. It's like I have
Yeah.
options to
Black
launder
money की
money.
बात करते करते देखो पसीना आ गया भाई इतना
ज्यादा बोल दिया यार।
इतना incriminate कर दिया
Illegal चीजों के बारे में।
अपने दिए.
क्या what a start, dude. This guy just starts talking about black money that is
Do you understand?
I honestly wanted to just talk about how I had to lie to my CA because I felt bad for not making enough money.
उसको ये episode
Turns out he's making enough money, dude. He's
He's
fine.
making a lot of money because I
Yeah,
told
he's a
him.
CA,
Yeah,
dude.
man.
Of course he's
Yeah,
making a lot of money.
I called him like 5 times. He didn't answer because I wanted to file my ITR. He's like, अरे मैं घूमने आया हूँ, मैं इंडिया के बाहर हूँ.
Yeah.
सही है तेरा क्या आगे
CA
जाके
है,
करता हूँ.
CA के पास पैसे नहीं होगा किसके पास होगा? I mean और भी लोगों के पास होगा, but CA के पास भी तो होगा.
He also manages. No, not manages. Sorry, he also
handles the finance.
handles
account.
accounts for like other famous people.
Who?
But I can't. Then he'll be damn easy
सब
to
तो
find
बोल दिया
it.
black
No.
money बोल दिया famous लोगों का नाम नहीं बोलेगा.
हमें बता दे. Wink, wink.
Yeah,
नहीं मैं बोल रहा
No, we cut it out for
No, I only
Then
know
he
one
has a
person.
scam
One
NGO,
person I know who
and
he
then you are
manages.
not know famous people.
I'll tell you, but
Okay.
you'll have to beep it.
Okay.
हाँ, okay.
Yeah, but it's only one person.
Yeah, yeah. अच्छा.
मेरा
Oh.
दोस्त बचपन का दोस्त
Who
है.
else? अच्छा, okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
अच्छा, I thought you were gonna say like. No, no,
No, what is
Let's
it?
beep that also. Let's just keep beeping. This is my favorite thing to do. Let's just random words. There's no point.
Yeah.
क्योंकि comments में रहता है, what did he say there?
Yeah.
Let's आधा podcast
We'll-
beep there.
The sentence of Govind saying, "Let's beep that also."
It's all
So
beep.
people are like, "Let's fuck what? What do you say? Let's fuck
It's
that."
all beep.
Great
It's all
conversation.
beep.
Right, man.
Also, hi, welcome to another
Welcome back.
episode
Oh.
of Spender Bender. This is not live, unfortunately. We
Unfortunately, dude, we are in my house. We're chilling. It is
no,
1
unfortunately.
in the afternoon.
Yeah, this is too early. We're shooting in the afternoon.
Yeah.
I'm not used to doing this in the
I
afternoon.
must say, okay, I have big hopes from this episode because we are off our 2 most popular episodes
Yeah.
ever.
Yeah, because
Okay,
we
up
had
to now.
popular people.
Yeah,
on
exactly.
those
So this episode
episodes.
has gone across easy a 60K. Easy.
Yeah,
for
it
sure.
just keeps going up. That's
Yeah,
true.
of
That's
course.
true.
Yeah, that's
Of course.
We'll
That's
put
how it
fake laughs. making
Yeah,
it
yeah,
look
yeah.
Like
Canned
this is
laughter.
also live.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
the audience
Dude,
behind
put
us.
silhouettes
The
of
silhouette
the
of people in
audience.
front.
Yeah, yeah. Just episode में
क्या
दिखे
हंस रहे वो लोग? हाँ, nice. That's
Oh, another thing I did with my CA was when he asked
Stop
me.
talking about your
No,
secret,
no,
dude.
this
You're
is not
spilling
me.
his secret.
No, not a secret. This is something stupid I did. Not stupid. It's just so he asked me कुछ tax rebate वगैरह के लिए कुछ है क्या investment वगैरह ऐसा नहीं था नहीं
Cash
है.
है.
Then I was like एक SIP चल रही है 3,000 की. Like क्या करूँ मैं उससे?
scene.
और वो SIP मैं लास्ट 2 महीने में डाल नहीं पाया हूँ. मेरा
skip किए थे. Then
आप देखना 100 साल में इसका क्या कन्वर्जन होता है.
then he was like कोई इंश्योरेंस वगैरह कुछ है हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस और तो उससे जस्ट 1 महीना पहले मेरा रिन्यूअल डेट था जो
Okay.
मैंने नहीं कराया था 1 महीने से रिन्यू
इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं करा है.
वैसे नहीं थे उस टाइम पे सो
अबे,
when
अगर-
he asked me then I oh fuck I think अभी करा लेना चाहिए
And
because I
also,
need
fuck
that
that, you know,
tax
पैसे नहीं है ठीक है तब तो बीमार हो जाता फिर तो और भी लग जाती ना तेरी
Yeah,
विदाउट
मेरे को जैसे
इंश्योरेंस.
तो मेरे को लास्ट वीक मलेरिया था मैं जिस दिन मेरे को मलेरिया डिटेक्ट हुआ जिस दिन
Insurance पे किया.
इंश्योरेंस रिन्यू हुआ तो उससे सेकंड
Right.
what if it gets worse
That's what I'm
what
saying,
if I have to go to the hospital
You
so
can't be
then-
like insurance के लिए
Yeah.
पैसे नहीं है. That's the one thing you need to have money for.
Just thinking, okay, thinking out loud. If see your CA knows your account balance,
yeah
right?
Yeah.
How much you're making, how much
yeah
you don't have.
yeah yeah
Okay. If you're short on something like health insurance,
yeah
can you ask your CA for money? Like,
Yeah.
If you
Please, you to know what
friends,
it's-
yeah if you're friends I guess why
why
not
you can't
Yeah.
just ask? Like,
Yeah.
I'll give it to you after you give me the refund. I'll
हाँ,
give
हाँ.
it to you इसके
ऐसे
ऊपर.
तो मेरे बैंक वालों को भी पता है मेरे पैसे कितने हैं, मैं
अच्छा.
बैंक जाके मांग लो तो भाई
Loan. So,
That's a loan.
yeah, that's actually
What are you saying? That's a loan.
दे दो ना यार मैं.
बैंक से तो ले ही सकता है ना यार. वैसे वो ऐसे बैंक से पैसे नहीं ले सकता of course
Like we just figured this out. Like, oh shit, you can borrow from a bank.
I mean, technically मैंने बैंक से ही लोन लिया क्योंकि मैंने हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस क्रेडिट कार्ड से पे किया.
Great. Oh, that's so great. What else have you guys been spending money on?
This only health insurance, medical bills. अब मेरे को एक term insurance भी लेना. Apparently that's a thing I have
Yeah,
to get. Yeah.
yeah.
So I'm just gearing up for that.
my account balance is lower than my credit card debt, so that's a nice place to be in.
Great. That's
Yeah.
me on most months.
Yeah.
And then
I was
paid
telling this to my brother and I said my payments haven't come and he was like, when does your payment come? You just keep
Dude,
paying. I was like,
yeah,
that's a good
yeah.
point, dude. I mean, every time I'm like, no, but once the payment comes,
Yeah.
then I.
Now clear everything.
Yeah,
everything.
Once it comes, dude.
Yeah.
Once the payment
And then
is
once the
here.
payment comes, you're like, you know what? I also want to buy a few of these things here, a few things there.
Immediately that happens,
Yeah,
dude.
of course.
I'm waiting for 3. So this is the first time in a very long time in my life where I have a job. I
Yeah.
don't know if you guys know that I have a
Oh
job.
yeah.
Have you
You
said
have
that
a
on the
job.
podcast?
Yeah, no, I mean, I think I mentioned it briefly, but it's not technically a job. Still, I'm still a vendor there. So मेरा TDS कटता है. But every month I get money now. So this is the first month. Like I know my money is gonna come tomorrow. This has never happened before.
I want to say a lot about this, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let's see how much we get.
Yeah.
Matlab,
Because I told you, when
Yeah.
he was getting the job,
Yeah.
after he got the job, he was like, man, I'm only here for like 6 months, then it's that dude. And then one day later, he was like, I'm only here for 3 months, then I'm
Yeah. I mean, 2 weeks.
15 days. Yeah, 2 weeks. Then he was like, देखते हैं ये week. अब अबे दिमाग खराब है कि तेरा ये क्या job है भाई?
As if you have like offers rolling in left, right, and center.
Oi,
Yeah.
I knew that once you get your salary
Yeah.
and you know the next salary is gonna come next month, of
Yeah.
course you would be like, you know what, let me
Yeah,
just
yeah,
fucking
You
yeah.
get comfortable for sure.
Yeah.
That happens.
Highly comfortable because I started on my first day of work was 21st of July. Okay. And then on 1st of August, I got 10 days ka payment.
Okay.
And that saved me for that month. I was like, fuck, this will happen every month. Like, I just have money for
And next month it will be more because the full month.
Only a full month.
Crazy.
Yeah.
It's almost like you have a
Yes.
job
Yeah.
and you're not a freelancer anymore.
Technically, I am because I'm a vendor there. So I can do freelance if people want to give me freelance. But
Please give us all freelance work.
all the
give
freelance
us-
work, they don't even know what kind of freelance we're talking about.
Yeah,
We just
any-
say freelance.
What do you have?
You want us to write, shoot?
No, what do you have? What freelance? If it's another industry, also will do
Yeah,
it.
you have
Like,
yeah, yeah.
graphic designer, we got graphic designers, dude. We got
You want us to make
editors.
edit-
tea plantation,
Make medical-
freelance. I don't know where I was going with that, but anything.
glass manufacturing.
Yeah,
Yeah. We learned, dude.
There's freelance opportunities in glass
I
manufacturing.
think those are just businesses.
Yeah.
Those are not freelancers. That's just a
Space
full business.
research.
Yeah.
Zero entrepreneurial.
Yeah.
I can't pronounce that word. but
Entrepreneurial.
Entrepreneurial.
Yeah, yeah.
Entrepreneurial mindset. We have zero.
Yeah, yeah,
of that. We
yeah.
can
Yeah,
call
space-
businesses freelance.
Is the next frontier.
freelance rocket scientist when you're
Yeah, correct. Exactly.
hey, I'm sorry, I have to go on stage at night. I have a show.
Astronaut, but
He does a project for NASA and SpaceX.
correct.
Just
you know, I do think of that. Okay, my name is Antariksh. Okay,
Yeah.
but whenever people will ever search for Antariksh,
yeah.
space, it will always show up.
That's good, dude.
Is it
But if
good?
you search for Antariksh
Tucker.
Tucker.
Yeah, but then you have to know my last name.
If there's if two comets collide in space and there's a Hindi headline, that'll be Antariksh.
Oh wow!
If two
Oh, are
comets
you-
collide.
Comets
Are
collide.
you doing my first year of stand-up jokes?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. This is what comes out of my mouth at 1 a.m., 1 p.m.
1 a.m.
1 a.m. nahi, 1
It's all
p.m.
the same for freelancers, dude. 1 a.m., 1 p.m.
What? This is not a good ad for you as a freelancer. If at 1 p.m. in the afternoon,
I'm
you're
on
still not
at
at a
1
whole
p.m., dude. I'm always fucking half
Yeah, I don't
asleep.
think we've ever shot this early.
Yeah, I'm
This is the only
alive
episode,
at, in the evening. In the
Yeah,
afternoon,
okay.
I'm just not fucking awake, dude, half the time.
I don't put alarms on my phone. I have an alarm set on Alexa, okay, which is a little far from where
That's
I
what
stay,
everyone does,
right?
right?
So you wake up, but every morning I just scream like Alexa, Alexa, shut up, Alexa,
because
shut
her
up.
alarm is going off, so she can't hear
Yeah.
what the other one. That happens, dude.
I just keep 30 alarms every minute for half an hour.
Even I have that on my phone. I just never turn it down because I don't know, man. I don't feel like waking up.
अरे वो तो I mean you say
That's
that
all
as if
good,
it's
yeah.
only a you
Only
problem.
It's
In the entire human race, only Hoshan doesn't want to wake up.
I know
on
a
it.
lot of
ever
people
since he's
can't-
gotten a job.
Yeah.
He understands the real world problems
Yeah.
that everyone
Bro,
has.
this
Yeah.
job shit is fucking insane. People wake up at like 8:30 and then they
Yeah,
leave
bro.
their homes by 9. I'm ideally supposed to leave at 8.
Dude, this guy doesn't leave Bandra, and you know
Yeah.
what he said that day? He got sick, and he was like, "Man, every time I leave Bandra, I get sick." I was like, "मैं चमाट मारूंगा तेरे को भाई ये."
Bro, also you're going to Powai. It's still a very hot market.
Yeah,
It has
he's like every
happened.
time I leave Bandra, I'm like, dude, you know what you should do? Go to the North Sentinelese Island in
What?
your
Where?
Andaman.
What?
That tribe
Yeah.
which they don't
Unprotected
they have
area.
zero contact with the outside
Yeah.
world.
Yeah.
You're that in Bandra. Just no contact outside from the
People
outside.
try to come over to his house. He starts
He's like,
swearing.
"Uga, uga."
But there's so
Ooga,
much
I don't know what they talk.
You went fucking Popeye. dude.
I don't know why I said uga uga. I don't know how they talk.
But there's enough evidence every time I step out of Bandra for like a longer period. Like if I have to go somewhere, even if I have to go for a shoot, like let's say 3 days in a row, by the 4th day I'm sick.
I mean,
There's-
that's
I think that's just my immune system.
That's so
Because you won't go out. It's
horrible.
like a catch-22, dude.
Yeah, that's a horrible immune
Yeah.
system. You can't leave Bandra.
Yeah.
You say that as if Bandra is the cleanest place.
Yeah,
No,
it's
it's
basically
not-
the same, dude.
Yeah, it's the
It has nothing
same.
to do with Bandra. It's just leaving the area I'm used to.
Imagine, dude.
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
Did you
I've
when
never-
you moved to
I've-
Bombay?
This is the most spoiled sentence
Yeah.
I've heard
Correct.
in my life. Ki when I leave
Leave
Bandra, I
Bandra.
get sick.
Bandra
Yeah.
makes it worse. I don't mean Bandra. It's
No,
like
this
every
would
time
have
I
been-
leave the area I live in.
This
Man,
would have
this
been
is
the
how I
same.
imagine Bollywood nepo kids talk.
Yeah.
You're none of that.
Yeah.
You're not even.
Yeah, when I leave Sobo, I get
Yeah, dude,
sick. I'm
exactly.
like, "Abbe, what the fuck
Exactly,
are you talking about?
भैया जब भी मैं बैंड्रा से
Yeah,
बाहर
yeah,
जाता
that's
हूँ
right.
This is the most spoiled fucking thing I've heard.
Yeah, like all dude for the longest time, Abhi, like in the last few months, a lot of comedians have released a video on Bombay traffic. I never found it relatable until recently.
You never found Bombay traffic relatable?
Arey, what? Where?
How
What?
possible?
You think yeah, 17th road? I was gonna say it's the road. But
Yeah.
25th Road.
25th road.
The most traffic this guy has seen is outside Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow.
Imagine, dude, what an insane
Yeah.
fucking like.
Yeah.
Never be like, oh, Bombay traffic क्या होता है? Bombay traffic क्या होता है?
No, I know
कोई
it's
नहीं
bad.
बोलता है.
I know it's bad. Like I have experienced traffic in Bombay, but
You
not
really-
as frequently as I now do.
Yeah, dude. Like,
Because I'm
yes,
after
used to
the
it,
एक
right?
दो
Yeah, dude, so used to
I have
it.
to leave my house like 2 to 3 times a week now. Sometimes.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
And bro,
I'm so sorry, dude. Your
Not bad.
immunity.
Do you wish you could trade in one of your weekday work days to a Sunday so you have to travel less?
no.
I think it was all the time.
By the way,
not.
this guy goes the other way from Bandra to
That's what
Chandivali.
you do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not.
Yeah, you're not getting into the peak
You're
traffic
not
also.
getting into peak
What
traffic.
do you mean?
That's
Bro.
the other way. People come from that side
Yeah.
towards Powai, Bandra, everywhere. BKC.
No, but I get traffic in the morning.
Arey, so
But
that's
not-
the lesser one.
Yeah.
That's not the main.
No, man.
No, but I
That's-
do get traffic on the way back.
That's
he will.
also no,
But he
dude.
would.
Bro, he will.
That I
Haan,
get.
ठीक है,
At
takes
least
no,
me-
but that's also the other.
Still
It's
lesser.
still
Yeah.
lesser.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
The thing is, in Bombay, evening traffic is fucked anyway.
Yeah.
Wherever you're going.
Yeah.
But you are coming
The opposite way.
side of the wave. Yeah. of
Yeah.
the-
Like when I leave my
Surrounding
house in the evening, I'm going the opposite way because everyone's coming back towards
Home.
that
Because
area.
they're going back home.
And I'm coming towards
So you don't
Bandra
get
from
traffic.
Kandivali. I mean, there is traffic, but it's less traffic if I leave in the evening. If I leave in the morning, I won't come in the
मेरे
morning.
को इसका एक लॉजिक समझ नहीं आता है. Not just him, a lot of people do this. So let's say if he wants to go home, ठीक है, like it's 11:15. Okay, he'll
In
look
the
at
night?
In the night, like let's say
I
sometime.
will never. I know what you're gonna say, but I'll never do that at 11.
Okay, let's say it's 6:37.
Six,
Whatever.
six is
yeah.
the time.
6. Let's say it's 6. Okay, and it's showing an hour and a half to reach home. Then he'll just wait for an hour before
Dude, that's
leaving.
fair. Because at 6, if you leave, like around
Yeah.
5:36, 6:30,
Yeah.
you're gonna take at least 1 hour 30 minutes for sure.
For sure, it'll
sometimes
be
even
more. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
But-
in traffic
Yeah.
with dust.
But
Yeah,
if you have
and-
to reach home, you're still wasting time. No.
No.
Stay the side.
I might-
Sit at a cafe,
yeah,
work
sit
on
at a
something,
cafe,
right?
work, like at least
Yeah.
just do something
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
more
okay,
than
okay,
sitting
okay,
in
okay.
a
Now I
fucking
get it.
rickshaw
Ah.
in traffic.
Then at
Oh.
night, it'll take him like 40, 45 minutes max.
Yeah, dude, this
way
is
better.
how less he knows about
Yeah,
Mumbai
we don't
traffic.
know this. This is how-
No. he also said, so say he wants to leave at 11:30 and it says 1.5 hours. 11:30 in the night. He thinks it takes 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
That's how it
I
happened.
never said where. I went Thane.
That's also
It won't take
no,
an hour and a half.
it'll take an hour.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
Far things are they not that far?
I mean, at night it'll take you 2 hours, 2.5 hours to reach Lonavala or so.
yeah.
Maybe
Oh.
better, yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't we go to Lonavala more often?
We should. Everyone.
We should
Everyone
go to
should.
Lonavala. We just
Sky.
but you guys also just come to Bandra only. We never go anywhere.
I go, man.
I
Don't put me in the
really-
same.
I'm
You
going to
have a
Kerala.
vibe.
I'm going
That's
to Kochi.
different. I went to Jaipur.
Okay, so
No, I'm just saying, I guess we should go out together.
And spend money together.
No,
Like a
yeah,
show, guys.
By the way,
yeah.
this episode's just we have nothing.
No, there is products wise.
Products wise, we
Yeah.
have nothing.
I ordered
Actually,
something.
Wait, wait. I want
I
to talk
need
about
that.
how looks like I'm doing something
Yeah, what are you
trading,
doing?
but
You are my CEO or what?
Oh, nice. Okay.
no.
Okay.
So like I gifted my mom on her birthday. I gave her an Apple Watch, which I was like, oh yeah. And then 2 weeks later, I was like, this is hurting me a little bit.
Oh.
But no, financially, not
Yeah, of course.
not emotionally. Ki, why does she have an Apple Watch? I meant financially, but
That'd be weird if you only gifted and later like, how
like,
dare she?
how does she have an Apple Watch?
Damn it.
Why does my mom have an Apple Watch? How? What the
Doesn't
fuck?
know use.
No, but she uses it a bit. But my dad, I've never seen him use his Apple Watch.
You gifted both of them Apple Watch?
No, that's
Oh,
too
he
much.
got
No, he also got it from free from somewhere else.
Oh, yeah.
It's both free. But his
How do
is
you get free
bigger.
Apple Watches?
Some event or something. I don't know. Yeah.
That's wild. What?
Yeah.
How expensive are these events? Your parents
I
are
don't know,
doing, man?
dude. I don't know. I also wish I could get an Apple Watch. But
But
it's
his dad
the
was also successful, na?
yeah,
He was
वही
okay.
कुछ होगा भाई कुछ and बड़ा वाला Apple Watch like ये छोटा वाला नहीं but like वो बड़ा screen Series 7 या जो
Oh, मेरे को लगा Ultra.
नहीं Series 7 वाला बड़ा वाला but then I just don't see them use it that
Yeah.
much and I have an Apple Watch. This
Yeah.
is the old SE.
Okay.
I don't even know how
Yeah,
old
or
this is.
because it came out of his pocket. He was
Yeah, exactly. It's a watch. Comes out of his pocket. Let me show you something. I've been carrying around all day. You could have just worn it on his
You're going to
wrist.
go with and ask him for time. Like, एक second. He will be like, okay, ठीक है, phone निकालेगा, phone
Yeah,
में
phone
देख के
निकालेगा.
बताएगा, there's a watch.
Yeah. And then,
That's so
and then
funny.
he realizes that the watch is not working and it's not charged.
What a funny
That's
way to
not
do a
bad,
watch. I
right?
didn't even think about
Yeah,
it.
you brought it, you took it out from your pocket.
Really, man?
And the fun part is he did not get this for the show. He was just carrying it.
No. I mean, yeah, actually, I just had this in my pocket. But the thing is, I thought about talking about it here. But
Yeah,
no, the
correct.
thing is, इसका screen
छोटा है.
pop out हो गया था बीच में.
When
I
you
was
were cycling,
When
yeah.
I was cycling, just the screen, outer screen, मतलब जो बाहर ऊपर वाला है, वो बाहर आ गया था. And but then the screen was still working.
Okay.
So I gave it to a guy under my house,
luckily,
and he fixed it. He stuck it.
How did he fix it? Tuck.
I have no
That's
clue.
it?
I just gave it to him for an hour. I
Okay.
came back and took it back. But then the screen stopped working.
Then it stopped working after he fixed it.
Yeah.
Then he didn't fix it.
No, he fixed the
No,
bump.
he fixed the thing.
Oh.
The screen.
He never said it'll continue to work.
Now it's just fixed. Apple Watch that won't turn on, dude. I just
It's
have.
not a
You know-
fixed
you know
Apple
how-
Watch.
You know,
I mean,
mechanics.
hardware wise, it's
Hardware.
fixed.
You know, sometimes when you go to the car mechanic and you get fixed, but within a week it gets ruined again.
Yeah.
I think
Oh.
maybe he did something.
Oh no, they for sure like at least car mechanics नहीं वो टायर वाले इसमें पेट्रोल पंप पे if you go to fill air
Yeah.
they really slash your tires. I saw a reel
Oh,
also.
yeah. I have an
Crazy.
insane car mechanic story.
I mean, I have one.
Even
Go
I
ahead.
have one.
Oh, yeah, I'll tell you what.
Everyone, these fucking.
Car mechanics,
Idiots.
tire
No,
guys.
they didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You're
I'm
the
sorry.
problem.
Yeah,
Sorry, dude.
I was. This is when I was in school. I was driving somewhere in Rajapur, in Jaipur.
Again, see, look at his spoiled as sentences, dude. He
What?
thinks these are normal sentences. I
What?
was in school and I was driving somewhere. He thinks these are normal sentences.
People were driving in Jaipur. Dude. I don't know what you want me to tell you.
Driving,
No,
drinking
It
and
was-
driving.
No,
in school.
regular. No, this is the. By then I'd quit drinking.
And smoking.
No, I was
You're smoking. You were smoking. So you're smoking a cigarette.
Yeah,
into
yeah,
uniform
yeah, yeah,
while driving a car.
These are just such insane sentences.
I was in 11th
dude.
grade. I was ashing outside.
So funny.
So anyway, I was driving. Okay, there was.
How old were you?
I was in 11th grade. So one day I was
16.
15,
Yeah.
15, 16.
Yeah,
Okay. I was driving and it was rush hour. तो मेरा कार एक बस
Oh,
से
there it was
थोड़ा
rush
सा-
hour.
There was rush hour.
हाँ वहाँ ट्रैफिक होता है भाई.
Oh, अच्छा.
अबे,
Oh, भाई, तू
हाँ
कहाँ पे
जयपुर में.
It was moving traffic, but मैं बहुत
Okay.
crowded area में था. मेरा कार किसी तो बस से scratch हो गया. ठीक है. So there was just a little bit of denting on the side, nothing major. So I called my dad and I told him कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है. Like yeah, don't worry. अपना zero debt insurance है. So just take it to the not
Yeah.
insurance है वो
Mechanic guy.
Mechanic.
Mechanic
The
or
dealers,
the dealer, हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ.
जो भी
They-
गाड़ी था
जो
उसका
उसका
authentic,
का-
Hyundai
हाँ,
वो.
हाँ. So I go there and the guy who works there is like a friend of my dad. So he's like आपका zero debt है ना? मैंने कहा हाँ. कहता है ऐसा करो क्योंकि थोड़ा और भी उसमें प्रॉब्लम थी गाड़ी में. तो like आप थोड़ा सा यहाँ से तोड़ दो, थोड़ा सा यहाँ से तोड़ दो, थोड़ा सा तीसरा तोड़ दो, मैं आपको पूरा चेंज करा दूंगा.
What? Why is everything you say today incriminating the other person?
Yeah, dude.
What is happening?
Anyway, it was just some contact. So he's like आप ऐसा करो मैं पूरा आपको बम्पर चेंज करा दूंगा. So it was me and my friend, okay, and we got excited like, what? We have to break our car. So we take the car outside. We pick up a big shock. Okay, we start banging at the car, and I'm recording it also. I don't have a video anymore, but I'm recording it. We are done. We're like, "Okay, put the गाड़ी वाड़ी
By the way, that mechanic never went ki, you're not 18. How the fuck are you? Why did you get the car? You're not an 18.
Dude, also, by the way, when you're filing for insurance claim, you have to mention who was driving or
Yeah.
who wasn't.
I'm sure that, but I'm just told you it was a friend of my dad.
Okay, he said dad was
Yeah.
driving.
Who
हाँ तो
cares?
फिर and then ये
थोड़ा
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 वोड़ा सब कुछ किया. ठीक है, अंदर गए like okay पेपर दे रहा इंश्योरेंस के, and then he checked. हमारा जीरो डेट इंश्योरेंस नहीं था. हमारा रेगुलर इंश्योरेंस था.
That's not on you.
My dad just forgot.
Oh, yeah,
We
that's
don't
on your
have-
dad and the dealership guy.
Not on the dealership guy at all. It's on my dad completely.
Oh, I thought he knew what your insurance was.
No,
No, it's on the dad ना like.
Oh, he asked you.
जीरो डेट है ना. मैंने कहा हाँ जीरो डेट है, पापा ने बोला है. And then I called my dad like ऐसा like oh कितना खर्चा है. When I asked him the खर्चा, it was 45K जो originally से 5,000 का होता था.
Actually dad अब 60 हो गया है. मैं थोड़ा बहक गया था. मैं बस मारे जा रहा हूँ.
Yeah, we just got a new car after
Did your
that.
dad laugh? Did he scold you? Was he pissed?
He can't scold me. He forgot. I just
Yeah.
went by
He didn't
his
expect
word.
to go start damaging the car.
Yeah, that's
more.
true.
I checked with him.
Ki, can I hit the car?
Can I-
I
break the
called him. I
car.
told him कि अंकल ऐसा ऐसा बोल रहा है. कहता हाँ कर देना है, बम्पर आएगा ना. मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है. तो मैंने और शान ने तोड़ा भाई. बढ़िया मस्त गाड़ी मेरी.
सही है यार.
Family of scammers. dude.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, man. This is. I'm expecting Hoshang to be one of those, like Indian scamming firms.
How is
That
this
get
a
caught.
scam?
You're scamming your insurance company. Of
How?
course.
Fuck
No, but
insurance
he
company
I know that's
first
true.
of all.
Yeah, fuck that.
I can
right.
scam them
Yeah,
for
yeah, don't you want to kill the CEO or what?
CEO
Oh,
what?
you Louis. What's his name?
Louis
Mangione.
Mangione.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He killed the CEO of some insurance.
It was some insurance company.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
I support
That
Louis.
was
Dude.
the whole reason why he
I
killed
support
that
Luigi. It was
Luigi,
Luigi
yes,
Mangione.
Luigi. Oh, Luigi.
Yeah,
yes,
Luigi.
yes. Well, Louis.
Yeah, yeah. That's Louis CK.
मेरे प्ले में जो मैंने किया था माइक्रो थिएटर उसमें देयर इज अ डायलॉग अराउंड लुई मैंजियोनी बट
Luigi.
एग्जैक्टली स्टार्टिंग के 4 शो में वो लाइन चली ही नहीं लाइक क्यों नहीं लैंड हो रही है एंड देन समबडी टोल्ड मी इट्स लुइजी मैंजियोनी इट्स नॉट लुई मैंजियोनी पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट
Also, India में पता नहीं कितने लोगों को Luigi भी पता है.
नहीं वहाँ पे वो थोड़े
But at
snobbish
least now
लोग
you have an
आते हैं ना।
excuse, guys. The joke didn't work.
No, वहाँ पे
So
snobbish
these
लोग
are
आते
rich
थे।
people
Yeah,
like
these are
him who
rich-
Oh,
left
okay,
Why
Bandra.
like him? You know, I owe you money.
Who've left Bandra after 4 months. They
Yeah.
met
Okay.
those people.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
I mean, but no, they all go to Aso and
Yeah,
so-
yeah. They knew Luigi, but they didn't know to Louis because he didn't exist.
Look at this guy. He says he owes money. He's drinking iced chocolate.
Wait,
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm gonna
And-
keep the mic down. But
He
That's
said
true.
this. He said this after he said he owes me money.
Yeah, correct.
2 coffees. I have
Yeah.
0 right now around me.
one is an iced chocolate with espresso and one is
Just
an
an
iced latte.
Iced espresso.
Because I wasn't sure how the iced chocolate was going to be turned out. That is better than the iced latte.
Any problem he says is dripping in privilege. Is dripping. Like I mean, of course we also have
Yeah.
privilege. Yours is but
Yeah.
one level extra for some
So
reason.
my favorite thing happened the other day. It was my birthday day before yesterday, okay?
Oh, shit. Happy birthday. I forget.
That's fine.
I never wish anyone or anyone birthday. I'm so sorry. Happy birthday.
Yeah. So
His face was amazing.
I forgot that he didn't wish me.
Oh shit, happy birthday. He did the same to me, I think,
Exactly.
on camera again.
Why do you guys tell me so much on camera?
See, now you understand, right? Now you get it.
No, I'm not pissed at you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Or not.
yeah, exactly.
Fair, fair,
Yeah, I'm
fair.
sad I didn't wish you, dude. Happy birthday.
No, that's fine. So it was a birthday, and I wasn't celebrating or anything, but Nafkar and Tanvi, my friends, they were like, we will go out for dinner. Let's do dinner. Okay. And we
I like that you don't have to even mention who Navkar and Tanvi are anymore.
dude.
Yeah,
Yeah,
multiple comments.
His rich
Everyone knows.
friends.
Yeah,
If you
every
don't, if you
single
don't know,
episode.
if you don't know, it's his rich friends. He has 2 rich friends.
Yeah.
Rich friends who I love more than they are rich.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is their.
No, I think
tagging
they're
tagline.
yeah. But I think they're richer than your love.
No, I love
So
them.
that-
You think they have lesser money?
Then
you
my
think they don't
love,
have enough money?
then my love,
You think they don't have enough money?
they have enough money, but not more than I love them.
So you're saying they're not that rich?
yeah.
Because you don't love them that much.
You don't
No, I love them. I love them more. than
Anyway,
they have
what's the
money.
point?
The
What's the
point
point?
being, so I don't want to do anything because I was broke. Okay, but I had some money on the side. Okay, if we go out, I'll spend that. I
Okay.
kept like 15K aside, right? And we went out for dinner, and we were gonna go to some fancy place. We ended up at Bombay Canteen. The fancy
Great.
place got cancelled because some
Bombay Canteen is quite fancy.
Bombay Canteen is also fancy.
Yeah.
Okay. I took Govind also with me. Okay, and I was ready to pay, right?
Okay.
And the bill was like some 15,000 rupees. Tanvi didn't let me pay. So Tanvi were like, we'll all split. So Govind also had
I was actually okay with it because
Yeah.
if the bill was a lot more, I would have
Yeah,
been fucking
correct.
annoyed.
yeah.
This I was okay with because I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
Because of one reason. I was like, I'll just take it from the YouTube owners we get.
You're investing it back in the show.
I'll just take it from his YouTube earnings. I can just
This is
take
investing in
money
my
from
friendship
him.
with Hoshang. This is
I
nice.
can just take that money from him anytime I want, dude. I love having this control.
Wow. Nice.
That's
And
how
the-
I'm paying him back, by the way.
Yeah.
Guys, please watch so that I can
Yeah,
pay my
he-
debt to
He
go.
owes me money, and whenever
Me also. Don't forget me.
Yeah, he was-
Yeah.
But his is like a big amount.
Big amount.
no, so whenever you guys watch and there's a YouTube, I mean, because of the views we get money, his debt reduces to me. Like I take back
The
that
money stays
money.
with Govind only. Yeah.
Yeah, I take back that money. So please give us more views so that I can just have my own
Money
money
back.
back.
I've
after-
never seen a single penny from our YouTube.
I don't
earnings.
even tell him anymore.
Shit.
I don't even tell him anymore. The money comes, I send you your thing, and I'm like, I'm done, dude. Like
तू
now,
क्यों खुश हो रहा है? तू क्यों खुश हो रहा है?
Debt तो कम हो रहा है ना?
he doesn't even realize it. ना इसका खुद का debt
Yeah,
कम हो
like
रहा है
it's so
without
much
realizing.
better than me having to give money from what I have in my
No,
account.
it's so much better. नहीं, that won't happen.
Yeah, otherwise it won't happen. Otherwise he'll never get his money back.
This guy said, कि, oh no, I owe you money. ये वो. Then he bought a recliner. I was like, you owe me money, you piece of shit.
I
Recliner.
know this. I bought the. Did I buy the recliner after that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Oh.
I saw the recliner, I was like, oh, recliner. Then I was like, why the fuck is there a recliner when you owe me money?
Dude, Hoshang has this spendthrifty quality.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
I
like-
I didn't have a recliner,
because-
and that's my money. I could have bought a
Yeah,
recliner
yeah,
with that
you-
money.
Pretty much, they do go sit on the
Yeah.
recliner.
That's your recliner now. You can take that home actually. That's
I'm
all.
gonna work from now on. Every time you come over, you get the first
Okay.
preference on the recliner. You got the
That was
first dibs.
insane to me.
Yeah.
That recliner is insane. I get buying something ऐसे random ये कुछ कि ठीक है पैसे नहीं दिए वो
Yeah.
जो, ठीक है कुछ खरीद recliner the most comfy way to
Also,
sit.
yeah, also like what 40, 50? How
No,
much
no,
cost
No,
it?
it'll be
15,
cheaper,
17,000.
15,
Oh, okay.
17. But like, I mean,
I could have gone towards Govind.
yeah.
That could have gone.
Now the YouTube money, so please just keep watching.
Keep
Keep
watching,
watching.
yeah.
There's still some money left. Please, I
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to
yeah.
make that back.
Yeah.
Also, we should, by the way, just talking quickly about our live shows. They were fucking
Oh yeah, live
Yeah,
shows
thank you
were
so much
great.
for
You
watching
guys,
the
so
live
much.
shows.
You guys watched
came
it?
for the live.
yeah. But the
Yeah.
thing is, most of them won't be watching this episode. So
Yeah.
because this is
But
not
no,
like,
wait, no.
If you
Yeah.
are, if you are here from the live shows, you guys are the fucking best.
You're
yeah,
best
yeah.
friends.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you
thank
for
you so
watching.
much.
It's helping me clear his debt.
Yeah,
So-
clear my debt also.
We did two. We did two.
Should we call our whatever fledgling army something like spending?
Nope.
Nahin,
Nope.
nahin.
spending money
Nope,
army.
nope,
Nah,
nope,
bender
nope,
routines.
nope,
No, none
nope.
of that.
Guys, you
No?
keep your own names, okay?
Yeah.
We are not
Just
calling
spend
y'all
on-
anything.
I am not.
Spending cheap.
I am not
Nope,
doing
nope,
that.
none of
I'm
that.
not.
None of
I'm
that.
not.
You guys just watch. We
Okay.
don't want
Just
you to
watch,
be part
dude.
of any cult.
Yeah.
Just watch. Send super chats if you want.
Yeah.
Uh,
Also, I don't know what this hype thing is, but fucking
Oh, yeah.
hype,
Oh,
dude.
yeah,
hype
hype,
us.
please,
Hype.
hype.
No, they are.
Some
they
new
are.
feature on
Some of them
YouTube.
are, yeah.
Yeah, some of them
we are
are.
like a few hype points away from making it to top 100.
We're
Wait, let
really
me
not
explain.
a few hype
Nobody will
points.
understand
Top
what we're
100.
talking about.
To
No,
reaching top 100.
no, we're
Can
not.
we explain?
कितना था? कितना था?
Usme it said ki you're almost at the leaderboard of top 100 leaderboard.
You know, we only have 7 days to reach there. After that,
Yeah.
you
Oh,
can't
I
reach
didn't know
hype.
that.
Also, I don't think we should tell people what this hype thing is if you're talking about
I think
it.
people know, dude.
No, I
Nobody will know.
You
How
don't know.
It's a very new
Look
feature.
at this spoiled Bandra.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep. This is my whole thing.
Spoiled Bandra.
This is
That's
my
why
whole
Be
thing.
like, hey, he owes
Yeah.
me money, and then be like, spoiled Bandra guy.
That's the dude. That's
Yeah.
the weird part.
The dichotomy.
You owe me. That's the dichotomy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
owe me money, and you're a spoiled Bandra guy. Even after that.
So spoiled.
Yeah.
You don't even hear your
Yeah. The spoiledness overtakes the
No,
fact
so
that-
hype is a new YouTube feature where the viewers can like click a button to hype a video.
If you like a video.
If you like a
enjoying
video,
it.
of course. No, that doesn't need to be mentioned. Just hype the video,
Oh, okay.
even if you don't like it. But hype
Yeah.
it. And then once the video reaches a certain number of points, it reaches the top 100 hype, whatever, chart,
hype leaderboard.
hype
It's called
leaderboard.
hype leaderboard.
And then basically because of that, more people can watch it. The algorithm pushes it more. So please hype the video so that
Yeah.
I think
so
people
that
tuned
we
out during
can
the
buy
explanation, by
cocaine.
the way.
Yeah.
So that we can buy cocaine with that money.
Now
Now
they're
they're
back. Yeah. These guys want cocaine? Yeah.
Whoa!
Arthur will support.
No, but hype the
And if
video.
you're watching this on cocaine, please send us that also.
Yeah, then
Oh, yeah.
send
Is
it.
it a fun experience?
Yeah.
Then send it. This is a
that
highly
is-
illegal episode.
Yes, incriminating everyone.
It's
And,
just-
and the viewer is being incriminated.
yeah.
Oh,
Highly
that's
illegal.
that's the thumbnail or the title. Most illegal episode yet.
Yeah. why
Yeah.
not? Why
That's
Okay,
true, dude. Most
thanks.
illegal episode. What else have you guys been
Yeah.
spending money on?
not?
Because
I am.
I haven't been spending money
Oh, okay.
because I mean, again, my credit card debt. Anytime I buy something, I'm like, I should pay my credit card because every time I think of buying something, I get a call from Axis Bank in the afternoon. I'm like, oh, shit, fuck, I'll pay, dude. I'll pay. Give me some time. I'll pay.
Fair.
They just keep calling, dude. Axis
They
pay
call so
calls.
much, dude.
HDFC calls. Because both the credit cards have to pay.
Yeah.
I paid a lot, but there's still.
But have you
a bunch
defaulted
left.
on the payment or अभी है time आने का?
नहीं डिफॉल्ट भी नहीं किया मैंने आधा भरा आधा
Oh.
बाकी है क्योंकि मेरे पेमेंट नहीं आया है
Yeah.
तो मैं
But you
देख के
made
क्या
enough,
करूं?
ना?
Yeah.
Like, it's
अरे I
coming.
can pay that's okay I can pay it off
Oh, you
but-
can then pay it, no? Then.
अरे it's not here ना yet I can
Okay.
pay it when
You
the
pay,
money
man.
comes
You relax.
you stop it don't tell
You
me
can't
how
give
to
financial
fucking-
advice.
yeah no financial
Go.
advice you shut up if it was
Pay,
up to
dude.
you
Why do you pay your fucking
Yeah.
bills? Are you crazy?
if it was up to you, there'll be another recliner that I buy here. That's the thing you should do. Man, I remember I've never been like happy and then shocked and then pissed off in like 5 seconds. I was like, oh, recliner. I was like, what the fuck? Why the fuck does he have a recliner? This is bullshit.
And you know why I got the recliner?
Why?
Because
Because
right,
there's so much tension with
no,
all
no,
that
no,
money that
right
you have.
before the recliner, I had bought the new Spider-Man game had just come out. I was like, I want to play Spider-Man comfortably.
How you bought Spider-Man also?
How can you have empathy for this guy, dude?
No empathy.
No, how can you even
empathy.
have empathy for this guy?
I recently noticed something about my own behavior, okay? Like spending money wise. I recently just came back from Thailand. I bought these fake Onitsuka tiger shoes.
It's been a while since we've talked about Thailand.
Yeah. So I got these fake Onitsuka tiger shoes.
Last episode
Yeah.
was all Thailand.
So I bought the fake shoes in Thailand for 2,000 rupees converted. Okay,
Yeah.
it was like some around 200 baht something about. Okay, and
That's not 2,000
रुपए में
rupees.
लाया तू जूते?
no.
That's नहीं हाँ वो
Sorry.
400 हुआ.
तो कितना? So 2,000
400 नहीं
2,000
500
baht.
500
baht.
हुआ.
Yeah. yeah.
Anyway, yeah, it's cheap.
So around 2,000 rupees. Okay, and the actual price for those originals is around like 15K or something.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now I realize that I wear these shoes all the time, but I have to treat them like they're 15,000 worth.
What?
No, you don't.
Yeah, because
That's the
like,
whole point
see,
of buying first
No,
copy.
because in my mind, I'm like, dude, now I can't act like they are 2,000. I bought fake Onitsukas
Yeah.
to make them seem like real Onitsukas.
Yeah.
So now I'm like, worried about getting them dirty.
Like
Because-
you have convinced yourself that they're original.
They're original,
Oh.
dude, because I'm fooling the world. When I bought the shoes, I was so excited about these fake Onitsuka shoes. I went to an Onitsuka store
Yeah.
just to stand there and see, like, if someone notices they're fake shoes.
You're looking at other Onitsukas and you're like,
Yeah.
oh, I'm a repeat customer.
Yeah, I
buy
wear this all the time.
Okay, dude.
What?
Yeah, I'm a.
The salesman is like, oh, this guy, he knows his shit.
Yeah.
It was a shit.
Yeah, so so like now I'm like worried about getting them dirty. I don't wear them now
Dude, I don't
as
even,
often as I would.
I
like
don't
to.
even treat my expensive shoes
Oh, you don't?
with
Yeah.
respect.
Oh, I
That's
treat-
more of a flex. We're like, oh,
Yeah, I don't even
I
give
don't
a
have to
fuck.
fuck, dude.
That's the thing. I think if I actually had bought those 15,000
Yeah.
worth shoes, I would be like, ah, ठीक है, अब तो खरीद ही लिए.
Oh, you would have not given a fuck if you had actually paid
think-
the original amount.
I'm not
Or
sure.
now you feel like
Yeah.
you have to give a fuck
Yeah,
because
I feel
people
like
will...
like in front of people, if it gets dirty, like I would be like,
If
oh
you
shit,
like,
mere,
Oh no, my
you know, like,
15,000 Onitsukas.
yeah, I feel like Suhas from Three Idiots. Kareena
I don't
Kapoor.
know who Suhas
Who
is.
the fuck is Suhas from Three Idiots?
Dude, Kareena Kapoor's fiance, who if he dropped chutney on his shoes, he's like, oh, mere 1.5 lakh ke joote.
Welcome to Filmy
No.
Colada.
Okay. Yes, that will be.
I was watching the latest episode of
So
Filmy
funny.
Colada
Yeah.
the other day, and
Yeah.
even the episode before that,
Yeah.
Filmy Colada is his other podcast
He's
about
like a
Bollywood.
proper,
Man, just go watch an episode, and the latest ones. It's the funniest frame.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
the
yeah.
funniest frame.
It's because we
There's
have
a
one couch.
sofa,
Put a
there's one
picture of the
couch.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, there's one couch. 3 of them are just crammed
Into
in.
that couch.
Like, welcome to another
correct.
episode. I'm like, dude,
Absolutely.
just please just sit
Yeah,
somewhere
and
else.
also it's me, Kirti,
You,
and then
oh,
Abbas.
Abbas,
Abbas
I was
on the
gonna
couch.
ask, is it you, Abbas and Snehil,
No,
or
me, Abbas, and Kirti on the couch.
And what's even funnier is Snehil just has his own,
Own
frame,
frame.
and
Yeah,
he's
it's
like,
nice.
yeah, so
Chilling, yeah,
I
relaxed.
love Bollywood.
Dude,
He's just
you know what's
comfortable.
crazy? We shoot at my house, but Snail gets his own frame.
Yeah, dude, that's the most. I
mean,
feel uncomfortable
Great show.
watching
It's doing
it.
quite well. Please check it out.
why don't you get a, like, it should be just you and Kirti in one frame, you know?
No, we don't have enough space in that room. If you see the room.
Dude, this
Yeah,
guy has
it's
a
Abbas.
7-bedroom apartment,
Yeah. but
and you don't have
we
one
recorded
frame.
We recorded in one room, and we have to make do with the space we have.
A 7 BHK you have to make do with.
So the others are bedrooms. No,
I really
Yeah, or
feel
like,
like
let's shoot in the living room.
Yeah, in the
like,
living
where
room.
is everyone
I
else
really
gonna
feel
go?
like you should. You should just shoot.
Yeah.
One person's in the other room.
The thing is, like, see, the thing is, like, my parents live with me, so they'll
Yeah.
be walking around if we shoot in the living room.
Yeah.
And all the wild shit I say, I can't say with my parents. When my
Yeah,
parents
yeah, yeah.
fucking-
Yeah, or you can't have your parents as a live audience.
Yeah, dude.
yeah,
that's real.
fair.
So
Anyway,
but
that's
hey,
that
if
frame.
you have like a
Just-
cool studio where you can drill.
Yeah, just give them
And
like, dude, the recliner you should have bought for his house.
Can I take the recliner? Now?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
They
can I
can.
take
I'm
more
not
the
part
recliner
of
with me?
Filmy Colada, dude. Fuck Filmy Colada.
Hey, no, it's an amazing show, dude.
Watch me.
But they really need that. Just watch that frame, dude.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to watch that frame.
Yeah,
I'll
I
do it.
felt uncomfortable watching it. I was like, fuck, I have my
Yeah,
whole
yeah.
bed right now.
Govind
but-
was on the live chat. Okay, while the live chat is going on, and he's like, "Oh, there should be one more person on this couch."
couch. I was like, there's space for one more. You guys are not utilizing the whole
That's
thing
so
properly. Fucking so many people. Anyway, what were you saying? But
So,
the
yeah,
Onitsuka ones.
Yeah.
Dude, I bought ASIC shoes, white shoes for 7,000.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's very expensive
Yes.
for fucking random shoes. I was
Yeah.
like, I'll wear this when I have somewhere
Special
to go.
occasion,
But
yeah.
the thing is, I sometimes I go somewhere for a show or something. Then I go for a special occasion. So then I dress
How
for-
you would for the special occasion?
for the special
Yeah.
occasion, but then I go to a show where I don't go.
overdressed.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just wear this every day now, dude. The A6 white one.
That's what I do. I always
Yeah.
like I just dress the same for every.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's pretty
I-
much same, yeah.
This is just how I dress now,
Yeah.
dude. I have the same. If it's a
Exactly.
special occasion, I have a shirt. That's it. Then I'm like, this is special because I'm wearing a shirt. Otherwise, it's this T-shirt. Man, at least 3 people told me this T-shirt sucks. But
It's
I,
nice t-shirt.
It's not a
I,
bad
I told
t-shirt.
my dad, ki, oh, I'll get this to Kerala. He's like, don't get this. I was like, don't even. Why? What?
What's in Kerala? Who's judging your fashion choices in
No,
Kerala?
my dad used to say that in Thrissur, where that's
Yeah.
my original hometown, he was like, don't wear shorts and go out. I was like, what are they going to do to me, dude? What the fuck
Yeah.
do you mean? No, he was like, no one wears shorts in Thrissur. Then I went out. I was like, people my age are wearing shorts.
Yeah.
Dude. Of course, uncles aren't wearing shorts in Thrissur.
Dude, it's crazy you're saying this because again, it's gonna seem like I'm making too many Bollywood references. But I just saw a movie
Yeah.
called Param Sundari, horrible movie.
Oh God, that's Siddharth.
That Tagadam Tagadam Ta Na Na, you heard that song?
Yeah.
Siddharth Malhotra, Jani Kapoor.
Jani Kapoor.
And this is literally a plot point
Were
in
shorts?
the movie where this guy has gone down south to
Kerala,
Kerala,
okay.
Kochi,
That's
somewhere,
Kerala,
yeah.
yeah.
and he's running around like doing in his fucking super short running shorts. And some uncle comes to him, he's like, hey, you can't do this. So he makes him wear a mundu. Okay.
That seems racist.
Yeah, that is very
That
racist.
is
Yeah.
racist. I
Yeah,
don't
but
think
it's like
that
you
fact-
in this town, you don't roam around in your short chaddis, you wear mundus. And
Is
this
that? Oh, maybe that's why your dad was like, he just watched the movie. Maybe you're like, hey,
Dude,
don't
if you
go
see
around.
how they wear the mundu, mundu बोल रहा हूँ जैसे कि
Yeah.
मैं मलयाली नहीं हूँ. तुम लोग बोल सकते हो mundu, but
What
like,
is- what is called otherwise?
mund. We just say
Oh, sorry. I don't know.
करके नहीं mundu
Mund.
बोलते हैं.
Okay.
I
Okay, got
guess
it.
I don't know, but
Okay.
mundu it covers your whole leg.
Yeah.
But everyone just ties it up and wears it यहाँ तक आता है. फिर तो shorts ही हुआ ना वो मुंडा बस
That's true.
ऊपर आ गया है. Like
It's like they fold up.
Ah.
they
they
fold
get
it up
Yeah.
and they just keep it. Then it's the shorts,
Oh, so
dude.
maybe
Yeah.
they just don't want the Western alternative of that.
Dude,
Like, they don't have
At
an issue
least
with
with
X.
shorts, there's like proper यहाँ पे division है.
Yeah, yeah.
With a मुंडो पूरा हवा है भाई.
हाँ.
कुछ नहीं
It's like
चड्डी
a
है उसके
towel.
नीचे बस.
They're
I don't know why I did this, but like वहाँ पे बस चड्डी है भाई.
Just telling us how
Yeah.
big his
Yeah.
balls are.
No, it's like the wind is cupping.
The wind is just no wind. वहाँ पे हवा है भाई बस. मतलब honestly,
Yeah.
it's way more comfortable than shorts. By the way,
You know,
Oh,
tie,
that's what I was gonna
tie,
say.
you know, tie like a lungi or
I don't know properly, but
Oh.
like.
प्लास्टिक वाले भी आते होंगे ना वो.
बट वो ऐसा लगता है कि भाई ऐसे थोड़ी भाई
अच्छा,
पहनना है तो नॉर्मल वाला
Authentic
पहनो.
पहनो.
It's like those ready to wear sarees that you
Yeah.
get
Yeah,
nowadays.
yeah, yeah.
I mean,
I don't
yeah,
know.
like when I wear it, when I have to, yeah, why would it be?
I don't know.
But-
I know this.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You have a vibe, so it makes sense.
No, but I'm saying whenever I wear that munda, if I have to wear it when I'm in Kerala, everyone can see that I'm not a regular. क्योंकि
sure.
बाकी लोगों का ऐसा नीचे low waist वाला रहता है
हाँ.
भाई मुंडा मेरा ऊपर.
Is that a
ताकि-
cool way of wearing
I
munda?
mean, if you wear every day, I guess
Yeah.
you just know how
Like
to
if
wear
you're
it.
low waist jeans, you wear low
I
waist
guess.
munda.
But
It's
मेरा
about how
mine is
yeah.
mine is here.
It's about how
So that-
confident you are that it won't fall off.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Correct,
that's exactly
correct,
it, yeah,
So mine is here because there's
Yeah.
no way. मेरा इतना टॉर्सो आता है बस छाती खत्म फिर मेरा पूरा मुंडा
yeah.
बस.
You look like a
इसमें तो
physics
तेरा
teacher in
यही
school
लगा है।
wearing his pants till your.
That's why तेरा सिर्फ यहीं तक आ रहा है क्योंकि तू ऊपर तक
नहीं
बांध रहा है.
नहीं वो लंबा पड़ता ही है.
Okay.
But anyway, मुंडा. But I can't believe it's a plot point
In a movie.
In the movie, yeah.
in the
Yeah.
movie.
It's like
No, but like
it's
if
very
you wear-
racist and you multiple racist things.
Yeah,
No,
but
no,
if you in a
Stereotypical.
small town in Kerala, if you wear shorts and walk, they will be like, he's not from here. For sure, he's not from. It's very
But also,
evident when
कुछ
I'm
भी कर
there.
ले, Siddharth Malhotra is not gonna look like he's from Kerala.
Yeah,
or
that's-
anywhere.
Janhvi Kapoor.
Or Janhvi
No,
Kapoor.
she's half.
But
not
he's half
Kerala, but
yeah.
Tamil Nadu.
Sridevi was half South Indian, right?
Sridevi.
Yeah.
Sridevi.
Yeah.
Correct.
I know the Kapoor really.
Yeah, boy, that threw me off.
yeah, but
Okay, so she's not culturally appropriating anything. She is half that.
Oh, it's most
no,
of the
it's
real.
culturally
No, movie I'm
appropriate.
sure it sucks.
Yeah, it's horrible.
But like,
Why did
he
you
can
watch
play.
Um,
A
this-
filmy Colada,
you can do
Bollywood
something.
filmy
I've
game
always
show.
watched something to.
He has to.
That's true. Every other podcast of his has filmy.
Yeah.
One has cricket and that he doesn't watch.
I
But
have no idea about cricket.
He doesn't even talk
Yeah.
in that episode.
Yeah, I'm not on that show at all. But sometimes, you know, like Shamik and Siddharth Crickheads, that's the podcast I produce. But sometimes, like, I'll watch some crazy reel on Insta and send it to a cricket reel and send it to Siddharth and Shamik, and they're always very surprised
That you got
that I'm
that.
sending this
Yeah.
of all the people
Yeah.
because I have no idea about cricket at all. So
You're
anyway.
the perfect producer for that show.
I
Yeah.
play like the PS5 that I bought
Yeah.
that I'm paying EMIs for every month.
Out of the YouTube money that we're getting, and Hoshang is helping with that. Nice.
Yeah, dude, I'm
Nice.
paying for your PS5, which is
No, you're
technically
paying your debt
money.
back.
Yeah.
But no, I play cricket on it now. And
Cricket,
yeah.
dude, that's. I've always thought cricket is one of the most boring games to play on PS.
But I think
No,
people
so-
who really like cricket, they don't mind.
So I
Yeah,
used to
like-
play F1, but in when I play F1,
it's also very boring.
F1 is amazing if you like F1. But
Well, I
he-
think if you like
he
the
likes
sport,
drive to survive.
I'm a
only-
DTS fan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he doesn't watch
Yeah,
F1. So
I've
if you
told
like
him.
F1, yeah, he says he doesn't watch the F1 season, like the races.
Yeah, because I don't want spoilers for the
But
next
the EDS
season of EDS.
Yeah, that's the
He's-
opposite of
He's the
how-
only one who's mind blown. Like, oh, kaun jeeta? Oh shit! Did you see that? Yeah, we saw it 3 months back. When it was happening.
But with F1, like you have to be focused while you're racing the whole time.
Okay.
But with cricket, I just hit a six, then I keep my thing down, I just do something, and the bowler's getting ready. Then I come back,
Yeah,
I hit a
correct.
six, then I just walk away. It's so easy, it's chill, dude. It's the
Boring
most
game.
chill
You're just
game.
hitting sixes or what?
Dude, I just keep hitting sixes and then I keep
Yeah, it's
getting
very
out.
easy.
I'm like, I'll only hit sixes
That's great.
until I get
Do you bowl or are you more of a batsman?
nothing. More
I think you have to
bowl
do
kya
both.
karo?
You can't
No,
just
you
do
can
both.
skip it. You
You can
can
skip
Yeah,
an entire
yeah.
inning.
Yeah.
simulation. You can just
Simulation.
simulate it.
Oh.
FIFA में भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, FIFA
FIFA
में
में
भी
क्या
कर
You're playing a
सकते हैं.
season of FIFA and you don't want to play every single match.
Nah, no, I want to
You
play.
can simulate it.
Yeah.
But FIFA, I don't like football.
You don't like football.
But FIFA
I
is
don't
way
like,
more fun than
I'm
cricket
okay
on-
with football,
on
but
PS.
FIFA,
I'm sure.
yeah.
I'm sure.
It's
I
very
just
thrilling.
want to play something on my PS, and I told my brother, "Ki I'm playing cricket now on
Yeah.
my PS."
And
He's
he
like,
was
"Oh,
like,
that's
"तेरे
like
payment
the
आया क्या
real-"
अभी तक?
No, he was like, "That's like the real thing, dude. Oh my god!" Well, I was like, "Dude, I can't." I thought it would be fun to tell my brother who
Yeah.
likes cricket, but turns out
I play all my PS games, most of the PS games right now on his account because he's paying.
Wow, dude.
see, dude, he just finds a way back in, dude. Like,
One of you would be way more affected if the other wasn't in their lives.
Yeah. And I know who exactly or
Yeah. Ushank,
but he'd have a
Ushank's
recliner.
life
still.
falls apart.
I
Goan is chilling in life.
I think he'd still have two more recliners, dude.
Yeah,
if he didn't
correct.
owe money, there'd be two more recliners. All of these would be recliners.
Oh,
man.
get recliners for both of us.
Please
Like, we just
just
sit on
don't.
recliners.
Please don't.
No, we have one. You just get one.
Please
here.
don't
Okay.
get more recliners.
That is the ultimate friendship thing to do.
Just
Have
get a
two
recliner.
Get two recliners like the Joey, like,
I want a recliner though, man. I took a club membership, like मेरे society के बाजू में club है where there's swimming, squash,
Okay.
TT, gym. I was like, okay, I'll go to the gym, I'll go to swimming pool, ये सब करूँगा मैं. So I took the membership for 19,000 a year or something. It's not that expensive.
Okay.
But I took it, I was like, I'll go to the gym. Went to the gym once. I was like, this is a disgusting place. I don't like a gym.
Okay.
So I bought everything for a home gym. I don't know why I did. I have 2 kettlebells. I have 2 dumbbells. I have the push-up ke liye na, to push-up
Oh,
ke
got
liye-
it. Yeah, the bar.
you can
yeah,
hold that so that you can do
Correct.
push-ups properly.
Yeah.
I got a pull-up bar recently so that I can do pull-ups. Door frames mein wall pe you can
Can you
just
do pull-ups?
yeah, I can. Now I can. I used to
Wow,
be able to do pull-ups,
Oh,
and I just didn't do it for years, and I couldn't do it again. Now I went from 0 to 4. No, it's not impressive.
That-
0
oh, dude,
to
I
till
can
4.
Very
I can
impressive.
I can do 1/4.
I don't think I can do even 1/4.
Yeah, man.
Arey, what to do if you keep doing it? It happens.
Yeah.
That's
Ah,
okay.
wait,
It's
we
just
have to
that.
work. Do you work
But-
out in general, Antariksha?
I've
What's
only
your-
I've only now started like using the treadmill more and like climbing stairs. I climb 12 floors almost every day.
Oh, that's good,
that
dude.
must be pretty good,
Wait.
yeah.
Treadmill in your house?
No, treadmill in
Okay.
the gym.
You go to the gym?
I only do the treadmill, nothing else.
There's a
I'll just
gym in
walk
your building.
outside.
I know I
If
can,
you're
but
just
I
using
do
the
either or.
treadmill, just walk.
I do either or. But end up going to the treadmill. I think.
That's
more.
okay. Anyway, yeah.
But I
There's
do
a
either
building.
or.
There's a gym in your building.
Gym in my building.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, like a club.
Do you work out? Do you? Oh, I think.
You used to cycle though,
I
right?
used to cycle. That's how I lost all the weight. Then I would go for runs every now and then. Now the only workout I'm doing is going to office.
That's not a workout.
Didn't you mention on Facebook also that it was Abhay's cycle and then you left it
No,
somewhere?
in my cycle.
Chinmay cycle and you
Yeah,
left
yeah,
it somewhere.
yeah,
and you
yeah,
got
yeah,
back.
Yeah.
Crazy.
yeah.
Okay, look back on that episode if you want. But anyway, yeah, so you were saying.
No, nothing. I just have a whole home
But
gym
I've been to your house. Where do you keep all of this stuff? It's not a
behind the bed so that no one can see it. Just behind the bed so that no one can see any of this. It's
Yeah, only
just
only the
behind.
cat crawls there.
Yeah,
Sees your
yeah.
dumbbells.
But that's also a bad place because now my maid doesn't clean there because she's like, I'm not gonna fucking
Oh, yeah.
move.
She's not going to move
Yeah,
all
makes
of that,
sense.
dude.
Makes sense. She's like, I'm not gonna move the 20 kg dumbbell.
So your maid is a kamchor also is what you're saying.
She just
Imagine
won't
she starts
clean it.
doing it end of the month, she'll be jacked.
Yeah, she's just. I
Picking
go
up.
to the room and she's just doing. Bye. I'm like, hey, do you need? But I don't know. I didn't realize I had a whole home thing and a gym membership until my mom yesterday was like, "Did you get a gym membership?" I was like, "Oh fuck,
I have to cancel.
that was for this. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was to do exactly what I'm
you
doing
pay for
here."
the full year, but right?
But you have access to the full clubhouse, right?
Yeah,
There
but
are
I
other
also
things
thought
that
I
you
go to
do.
the gym, but I go swimming.
Do you have a
and all.
pickleball court?
No.
Paddle court?
No, they have a tennis court, okay? And it's the funniest that tennis court. I used to see a lot of people play tennis there. I used to see it a lot, but I think the club got greedy and then they just started giving it for receptions and events. Just that. They got very
But
greedy.
in
I
the
used to keep
evening
seeing
time-
people
Okay.
play tennis there a lot.
Yeah.
But then they
This
were
is
like,
like
fuck your
fucking-
tennis. This
Yeah.
is a wedding hall
Banquet
now.
now.
Yeah, this is a
Absolutely.
banquet.
Yeah, correct.
And there was another room inside the club, which was a snooker wala room.
Yeah.
And 1 year after they opened the club, banquet hall again. They were just like, yeah, pe khana hai. It's everything. Every
done that.
space they
Like,
found.
our building, our table tennis table has been bought like at least 3 or 4 times since I've been living here because they keep giving that room for birthday parties. And
Yeah.
all. They keep using a table tennis
Yeah.
table for like fucking the parties. It's a table. What do you got to do?
It's all like even the swimming pool ke baaju mein jo changing room tha.
Yeah.
It used to be a big, nice changing room. Fucking took more than half of it. Again, banquet. I don't know how many
How many banquet halls
shadis.
you need?
No, what's happening in
I don't know. I saw that half जो निकाला वो लोग ने changing room जो आधा काट के बनाया. And it's just chairs and like everything. I don't know if it's a storage room, but I think it's a storage room for the tennis court wala
That's so funny.
banquet hall.
So funny.
They just want to make money, dude. That's all they care about. They just want to make money because the membership fee is what 19,000, 18,000 for a year.
Okay, not bad.
That's not
Yeah,
bad. I
yeah.
don't think they earn their money through that, na. So they just want to.
Are your building societies like well managed in the sense? Do they put up like a lot of cultural events?
This is
that-
the building Antariksha
Oh, yeah, you have nothing. There's a spa.
Anyone can
gone.
understand.
Spa's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah, there
No,
was
it's
a,
not identified.
Tell
Where
them,
is gone.
tell them.
out.
There was a shady spa under
Super shady
Hoshan's
spa.
building.
Yeah.
It's called spa.
Yeah, it was called Spa, and very shady, very shady.
Yeah.
And one day during the rains, the spa sign that they had outside their shop that fell down, and I think they just gave up.
Yeah,
once that
after
fell
that,
down.
put this back
Because
up
2
again,
weeks
it's
after the
not
sign,
worth it.
yeah, 2 weeks after that sign fell down, they shut. They're like, I think that's it,
emptied it out.
dude.
That was the sign of from God that they were waiting
Yeah,
for.
like,
Yeah.
enough. Enough is enough.
Man.
I'm in my head. I'm imagining like a lightning strike and a spa sign falls.
Yeah, I think God was like,
And
yuck, dude,
and
what
then
are you guys doing there?
Yeah, it's fallen on the ground, but it says spa now. The S is gone.
But no, my building has culture. I used to we have Ganpati ka abhi right
Yeah,
now. It's
same,
going on
same.
right now.
We had to 1.5 days.
Yeah, I used to do a play and all when I was a
What?
kid for the Ganpati.
You're one of those?
Yeah, yeah,
cultural
yeah,
event.
yeah,
Arey,
yeah.
Govind Menon performance coming up.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Nothing. It was some play and I was a DJ. I don't even remember
You were a
anything.
DJ for a Ganpati play?
It was a play about
Building society
building
children.
society children play.
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah.
Like I don't know what the play. I forgot what the play was about.
But
Some
you were a
KBC something. I think. No, some interview. It was a job interview. I don't think we knew what a job interview meant, but we were
I
like
don't think you
job
still do.
interview.
You never had a job.
Yeah, but then so imagine then I had no clue.
So,
No, it was a job
Yeah.
interview
Yeah.
that Munna Bhai and Circuit were taking, and it was just people coming in, and I was a DJ who wanted the job.
Oh, okay.
I
There
don't
was a
know
kid-
what job.
There was
How
a
old were
kid.
you?
12, 13?
You were a 12-year-old DJ.
13
Who's
probably.
But
looking
everyone's
for
a kid.
job?
Yeah, everyone's a
plays
kid.
It's like yeah,
We
it's
didn't
like-
get Sanjay Dutt as Munna
like
Bhai,
a-
dude. It was some
some
random
Flipkart
other
ads.
kid who was Munna Bhai.
And did he actually act as Munna Bhai and Circuit?
They weren't bad. They weren't
Oh,
bad.
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and I was a
Yeah.
DJ,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I don't know. It was. I think I mentioned it here. I think I have.
think
no?
I wrote. Okay.
I think it was Ganpati only. We had a jalebi eating competition. I think I've told.
No,
Oh.
I don't remember
Who do you
this.
remember?
I'm
Okay.
pretty sure I've
I
said
don't
this
remember
because this is my
jalebi
greatest
eating.
accomplishment.
Oh, don't
because
tell me.
there was a jalebi eating competition where it was लटका के रखते थे वो लोग जलेबी
हाँ.
लाइन में लटका के रखते थे ऊपर
हाँ.
जलेबी एंड बहुत
Disgusting,
सारे
dude.
बहुत सारे बच्चे
Exposed jalebi hanging?
yeah
That's
but
disgusting.
Why
dude.
is
yeah, there are more disgusting things
Dude,
going on in
It's
this
like
country
Sweet hanging from up top.
yeah
You know how jalebi, the texture of jalebi,
Yeah.
अरे बट दूसरे थोड़ी कर रहे हैं उसपे वो लोग यार
हाँ,
वो
हाँ,
बस
हाँ,
लटका हुआ है
and then you have to eat it. No word.
अरे तो ऐसे लाइन में बच्चे भी खड़े हैं उनके ऊपर जस्ट ऊपर सबके
हाँ,
ऊपर
हाँ,
एक एक जलेबी है एंड विदाउट यूजिंग योर हैंड्स यू हैव टू जंप एंड ईट
Oh,
got
okay,
it.
got it.
And you
One
did
try.
Yeah, correct.
You got the full jalebi?
half the jalebi but one try that was I was a fat kid
Oh,
also.
the tallest?
So no, I was just a fat kid who wanted a jalebi.
Really wanted food.
Who really wanted a
Yeah,
jalebi. That's it. I didn't even know I could be this good at it.
Yeah,
I just jumped, ate it, and they were like, done. And it's done. That was one jump.
You know,
and
like,
I got it.
In cartoons, they would, dangle a carrot in front of a horse to make it run fast.
Yeah. But then the horse can't ever eat that carrot.
Yeah,
it
yeah.
doesn't get one try, dude.
Done.
Half the
Yeah,
jalebi I gone. And the other kids were like, what the fuck you, fat fuck.
Go on, go on.
He
रुक
just ate
रुक
the
रुक तेरा
jalebi.
मैं करके दिखाता हूँ.
Yeah.
He goes to does it to everyone.
Yeah, I should have just kaka just
exactly.
gone एक करके. So
It's like a karate guy going tug.
so these are the cultural events in my
Nice.
society. dude.
Nice.
So,
I once had an Independence Day cultural event as a kid in the building.
yeah.
Okay, and flag hosting and all happened, and then they had a drawing competition between kids. I came third in that because I drew. Okay, the question was, draw what you want to be when you grow up. I drew a football player, and I got third. And then, do I remember very
Who
clearly?
won?
I don't know, some kid who I don't even remember what he made. But my brother, I remember very clearly. My brother made whatever he made, and very bad at drawing, and till date, very very bad at drawing. My brother. So
No need to. have that
that's fine. My
expression.
brother was like 2 years older. Is 2 years older than me. Okay, but the auntie who was judging, okay, she's like, "Oh, who's this 5-year-old who's drawn this?" Because my brother's drawing was like so bad.
And how old was he?
He was like,
7, 8.
no, he was like 12, 13.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's that bad. My brother's like, dude, what the fuck? I don't know.
I was being a DJ at that time. Dude, your brother was being called a 5-year-old.
One day in my school, we had a drawing competition. But sorry, it wasn't a drawing competition. It was a flag making competition,
Oh,
like
okay.
Indian flag making competition. Okay, and like you can't really have a competition there because everybody was going to make the
Same,
same
yeah.
flag.
You should have made a US flag. Like,
Do I win the competition?
I win the competition. It's a flag. It's not an Indian flag
Yeah, that's
competition.
true. I think it was probably an Indian
No,
flag.
probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course it was, but yeah.
So everybody made the flag, okay, and but this one dude in my class, he cut out the shape of India's map. Okay, ऐसे करके इंडिया का मैप जैसे दिखता है
हाँ।
उसने बनाया,
उसको colour कर दिया।
उसको कलर किया, उसके पीछे लगाया, and he got disqualified. Like
Huh?
that's not a flag.
What?
And
After all that mehnat, you just call me a
This
kid?
is great, but you can't be judged. Like everybody else has made the same thing.
honestly, fair. Fair.
Yeah.
This is a creative.
And
dude.
I lost.
Abbe, but it's like, it's, how is it creativity?
It is creative,
Yeah,
sure.
No,
He
but
worked
I'm
really
saying,
hard
but
on
they're
that.
Wrong. Arey, worked hard, ठीक है भाई. If someone's like, okay, let's shoot a podcast, and then you go shoot a travel vlog, you'd be like, but this is not what I asked you to do.
That's fair.
It's
You're
a
right.
great
yeah.
travel vlog also then, but even if it is.
Yeah, that's right.
Like, but that's
Yeah.
not what I wanted, na.
But I was so
But वो
opposite
guy-
of him because I got disqualified because क्योंकि मैंने color उल्टा
Opposite of him is oh. I thought opposite of him is you painted the rest of the world, but not India.
Every other
Yeah,
country.
the countries orange, white, green.
Even I used to get confused.
But then all you have to do is just flip it. No, I'm correct.
but then it's upside down. No,
Oh yeah, it is upside down.
you can't do that.
It's dangling upside down.
Then I'm getting lynched. Imagine being 11 years old and getting lynched.
Man.
Man,
But I guess that's the end of the show.
I think that's the end,
that's
dude.
very fun. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this episode. We'll have more live shows. We'll put up live shows more because that's what you fucking
people want.
people want. Live
Yeah.
shows.
I mean,
Get it.
people who wanted are
Fine.
not even watching this episode.
Yeah. Hey, no, it's not for you guys. It's for the people
Yeah.
who won't come
Yeah.
otherwise.
We get it. You give us views only if we give you a good product. Okay, fine.
No, yeah, we
Fine.
get it. It's
We get
only when there are two more people that
Yeah.
are like, you know what?
When there are two
Now
people
I
than
want
us.
to watch.
Yeah. When there are two semi-famous people other than us on.
Yeah, that's the only time we're like,
Yeah.
now let's watch
Let's give
this.
them a shot.
Yeah. But anyway, we will be doing more live shows.
Yeah.
Come for the live shows whenever it's there.
If you watch till here, then
Give them
If
a
you-
hashtag.
Yeah, if you watch till here, it's hashtag
Is this legal?
is this legal? But that's the trending
Yeah.
audio, no?
That's the trending
Is
audio.
this illegal? Oh, sorry. अरे वो कुछ तो है ना?
it should be.
Hi, my name
yeah.
is Pink and it's really nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I haven't seen
I haven't seen that.
You were recommended to me by some people. Ooh, you want me to do the whole thing or what?
I haven't seen it. How would I know where it ends?
Is this
Right.
illegal? Ooh,
Okay,
it's
hashtag
illegal.
ooh, is this illegal?
Or hashtag Hoshang incriminates everyone.
No, the
That
first
also
one.
works. Very, very
What are you
First
talking
one.
about? ये क्या शशि थरूर के लिए
Yeah,
क्या ये
it's-
hashtag?
all the everything.
Right.
Incriminate is
Hashtag is this illegal or legal, whatever you're
is this
comfortable with.
illegal? Hashtag is this illegal? ठीक है?
Yeah.
बस उतना ही है. अब तुम लोग जाओ. मजे करो, कमेंट करो यार थोड़ा और कमेंट कर लो भाई,
पुराने वाले एपिसोड पे जाके भी थोड़ा सा कमेंट कर दो।
कमेंट करो भाई, कमेंट करो, बट ओके दैट्स इट, सी यू, बाय बाय बाय।
Bye, subscribe, like,
Subscribe.
share, follow.
पैसे दो, I
Watch
have to,
shows.
he has to be debt free from me.
Yeah,
so
dude, please share it
watch.
with your friends so I can be debt free.
What a fucking insane way to pay. I don't like this, by the way.
I love this.
Because he's not giving me the money. I want that satisfaction.
I am technically giving you
No,
the
I want him to give me the money.
Okay, so then you send it to my account.
And then you send it back.
And then I send it back.
And then I'm like, hey, that's less, give me more.
No, what if I'm like, okay, I'll give you half.
Yeah, I don't trust you. You'll buy a recliner with that half
But
money.
if it comes into my account, then you forget about it. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.